Hello everyone. I totally didn't cut the stream so I could cut the recording and then keep going just because I need content, and I'm still working on this and I don't want to stop, but I want it all on camera. And actually, let me save because I don't remember if I saved or not, even though it was like 30 seconds ago. I said I was gonna work on the side now, so we're gonna work on the side, and let's see. I have to get myself some music through my AirPods. I'm totally not wearing my AirPods on my like under my headset headphones. Like I said in the last one, or earlier, I guess. I wanted to listen to music, but I couldn't because on the computer, because stuff about copyright, I guess. Because that exists, unfortunately. Well, fortunately, but also unfortunately. Fortunately, because then it means no one can steal your stuff. Unfortunately, because I just wanted to listen to some music. You know, it's a double-edged sword. But I'm kind of glad that exists, because once I finish this, oh yeah, this thing will be real cool. Let's see, play shot. Okay, we're in object mode. This head needs more rounding. It's oddly shaped. So we've got the head. Huh, this seems vaguely familiar. I would add that in with video editing if I wanted, but I don't really want to. Let's see. Let's see, I like that. Even though my book says to draw the face with a straight line here. That makes him look like he has a big nose, but it's not. I like the shape of the head other than that little discrepancy. I'm gonna stop talking now. Discrepancy. There we go. Oh, I think some people are leaving. I'll be right back. Oh, I dropped stuff. Whatever. Hi, I'm not actually back. I'm just showing this off before people leave. A ver. Déjeme esconder esto aquí y mire. Ve cómo está saliendo.
Wow, yo estoy muy inteligente con esas
Sí,
cosas.
esto tiene cerca de 5 horas.
¿Sí?
Ajá.
¿Y eso es lo que va a entregar?
No, lo que está haciendo. Eso lo compré. No, no, no va a hacer dinero. Y también va a ser fácil cuando hago el show. Porque ahí le explico primero. Okay, now I am back. Because I always come back. It's just a matter of time. And effort. Let's get this so you can actually see what I'm doing now. This might not be the most entertaining series, but whatever. It'll be entertaining once it's finished. Not just the model, I mean like it's all finished. Stop with the quick driver update. I hope it doesn't pop up on y'all's screens when I do that. Like the video footage, I guess. I get right up and down the stairs a lot of times. You see, this is about the chest line, so this is where it goes about like this. And this no, it rounds out a bit more. Like this. Oops, this doesn't look very, yeah. And then we have to, this is, goes like this. Then it comes back in to about there, yeah. And then we have this, where it goes like this. Did I make bro a little too skinny? Or am I just drawing him fat now? I don't know. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. And then this goes here out a bit. And then it rounds. And keeps rounding. Rounds to there. Perfect. Now we have a side view. And if you want to add the muscular structure, I guess we have this, which goes like that. This comes in a little, but then it goes out. Probably not that much. And then this here goes in some, and then goes like this and like that. Okay, cool. That's kind of what I've got. Cool. I say cool. Such a weird word. Cool. Cool. There we go. I say it in such a weird way. Perfect. So let's go into edit mode. See, that's fine like that. Let's move this one out. Okay. We're gonna. Yeah?
Are you gonna come with us to take the RV, or are you gonna stay?
I'll come with you.
Okay, make sure you put on some clothes real fast that are a little more presentable for seeing your cousins.
Yeah, well, duh.
Okay, we're about to leave.
Okay. And we're actually gonna cut this one short and have to edit this one and add it onto the next one because I gotta go. So let's quickly save. Perfect, and goodbye. Stay chill.